Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this really easy, simple makeup look for every day, and it's kind of like a fall inspired makeup look. So I forgot to film an intro, but we're going to be starting off with this moisturizer by Drunken Elephant. It's called a Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this shade right here from the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and the shade is Liberatus. I like this shade on my eyebrows for some reason. I don't know why, but I've been using this eyeshadow for my eyebrows. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Golden Beige. And I just love this concealer so much, you guys. I don't know, I guess because I have dry skin and it just makes everything look so pretty on my face. But yeah, this is the concealer I love using at the moment. So I'm going to be using the same concealer that I used to shape out my eyebrows, and I'm going to just put this as a primer. So for this makeup look, I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be starting off with this yellow color right here as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to be using this orangey shade from the palette, and it's just like a warm, nice orangey shade, and I'm going to use it after my transition shade. You just want to place it right over almost. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is just the one right next to it, just to deepen everything up. Next, I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush and mixing those colors together. After that, I'm taking the next darkest shade, which is the one right after the one I just placed, and I'm going to just place this all over my lid. I forgot to take a picture of this or insert anything about this shade, but it's literally the one right next to the black. And of course, we want to take our fluffy brush and blend that out. And then I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and of course applying mascara. At this point, I have already applied my mascara, so now I'm just placing my lashes. And guys, I forgot what lashes I have on. I'm so sorry. I hope you guys can forgive me. I don't remember what the name of these are. After I apply my lashes, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which I forgot to show. Puras fallas, I'm so sorry guys, but I hope you guys can understand. But yeah, it's just me putting foundation on. And of course, I'm going to be going in with the Born This Way concealer after this. Now that I blended out my concealer, I'm going in with the Derma Blend Banana Powder, and I'm going to be setting my entire face with this. I love this powder, you guys, because it's so super fine and so nice on the skin. You guys have got to try it out. After that, I'm doing literally the exact same steps that I did on my eyes, underneath my eyes as well. So I'm going in with the lighter, then the darker, and then the deeper brown colors. And of course, you got to take a clean brush and blend everything out as well. Finally, I'm going to add mascara to my bottom lashes. This is a very important step. Even if you don't have lashes or you feel like you don't, just still apply mascara, guys. It still makes a little bit of a difference. Of course, for my bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. And for my contour, I'm going in with the Oldie But a Goodie Shade and Light Contour Palette. For my nose contour, I'm going in with the shade Shadow Play from the same contour palette, and I'm just going to be contouring my nose. Like always. It feels so good to be uploading videos again, guys. Like, you guys have no idea. I've missed this so much. I hope you guys still are there for me and still watch my videos and still are rooting for me. So now I'm going to take the same powder as earlier, and I'm just gonna cut underneath my contour, and I'm just gonna clean everything up with that. I just like it to look nice and sharp and not messy or anything. After this, I'm just gonna be using some Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight for my inner corners, my brow bone. I just been into this highlight all over again. I just love it. Like, I just had to use it again. So yeah, that's what I'm using. Guys, don't forget to dust that powder off. I cannot tell you how many times I almost forget. So now I'm just going to be setting my face with some setting spray. And then of course I'm going to be going in with highlight on my cheeks. And I'm using the same one, Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Oldie but a goodie. I promise you, this highlight is still as good as the first time that it was hyped up. Just look at that glow, like, Something that I love to do is after I apply my highlight, I like to take my beauty blender and just pat that out, make sure it's blended and everything like that. And I like to place it all over my face too. I like to just pounce it around, make sure everything is nice and set. After that, I'm going in with this Anastasia lipstick called Maud. I'm really not sure, but it's just this really beautiful, deep, brownish. I don't know how to describe it, but it's not even brown. It's like, I don't know. It just reminds me of like pumpkin spice or something. It's so beautiful. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It's not anything crazy, but it's something for me to just start doing videos again, and I plan on doing more dramatic looks, so I hope you guys are down for that. And yeah, I think it's a really nice fall inspired makeup look. So now to this crazy hair. Yeah, we need to do something about this, right? So starting off, we're gonna be wanting to part our hair, and of course first you have to brush it. Don't forget to brush your hair. Any knots, anything like that, just brush it out. So I'm gonna split right above my ears, and I just cut that part out because I don't think it's important. So yeah, just basically part your hair up, and I'm gonna be using this 1/2 inch curling iron, and I'm just not gonna use the clamp. I'm just gonna wrap my hair around it because this is gonna be a easy makeup look hair tutorial. So guys, after I unwrap it, I just like to throw it behind my back, my head, whatever you want to call it, just to get it out of my way. Just like this. I just don't like to keep them at the front. And I like to weigh my way from the back to the front. This is so hard to explain. Oh my gosh. But yeah, just basically wrap it and toss it. So after this whole section is done, I'm going to be taking my next section of hair, but I'm going to put my hair forward again and then letting my hair go and then parting above my eyebrows this time. And we're going to do the same process, just curling back the hair away from our face and then tossing the curls back once we're done. So yeah, I just speed up this process because it's really just kind of boring just curling it. And I like to part my part above, like the arch of my eyebrow, and that's where I like to part it. You can part it to the right, to the left, whatever side you like to part your hair. So basically we're doing the steps all over again, and I like to face the clamp like at an angle downward. That's just the way I like to do it, the way I've learned to do it. So yeah, and I don't have a lot of hair. My hair is really thin, so this is pretty easy for me to do. So I'm sorry if you have really thick curly hair or something like that, but yeah. So after all the curls are done, I like to just kind of smooth out any pieces at the top that might be looking crazy. And then I just like to take my fingers and separate all of the curls. I don't like uniform curls. I like it to look kind of messy, kind of like wavy. I don't like super uniform curls. So yeah, and the part that I didn't show is where I added hairspray, but I did add a hairspray after I just kind of separated the curls. And you can leave it just like this. It looks beautiful just the way it is, just curls like this. But I do like to pin it back on one side, so I just grabbed like 2 bobby pins. I made a little cross on the side, and I'm also gonna apply these cute little clip things that I forgot to show, and I forgot to show how it looks with the clips, but it's just like these little tiny diamond little, I don't even know what they're called, but yeah. This is the final look, guys. This is the final hair tutorial / makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye.